Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here at 2 o'clock. And we are doing amazing chicken wings, but they're chicken wings with a difference. So, you know, I was just in India, so I just come back there a couple months ago, and I learned how to do a tandoori chicken wings. So this is really simple. We have partnered with Irish Yogurts COOL Clonakilty, and we're using the yogurt in the chicken wings. Try them because they're sensational. They're really, really good. And simple enough to do. So the first thing we're going to do is make our marinade. So we have, here we've got turmeric into our bowl. We have garam masala, and that goes. And this is chili and smoked paprika. And this is the secret, okay? So this is chickpea flour, okay? Chickpea flour helps the yogurt and the marinade stick to the wings, which makes it. That is the trick. Okay, we've got coriander as well. So a good bit of spice actually. When you taste these, you'll actually taste a good bit of spice, which is nice. Okay, and then we have. Just move that to the front there. We have our fresh garlic and ginger. And what you find is when you use yogurt in cooking, okay, and everybody just kind of associates yogurt for breakfast and stuff like that, but when you use it in cooking, it is a fantastic for tenderizing and marinating meat, and so I use it quite a bit, and I find that Irish Yogurts from Clonakilty, it's a fantastic brand, and something that I have no problem endorsing at all. So. Okay, so we've got a little bit of lime juice going in there now. And our yogurt. Okay, just mix in all those beautiful spices. Okay, so here's our chicken wings. They're literally just going to go in. And make sure you get them well wrapped in that beautiful Irish yogurt from Clonakilty marinade. Okay, I'd put cling film on that and leave them marinate in the fridge for at least a half an hour. Okay. Now we're going to cook these in the air fryer, which is another bonus. If you have one of these, they can be cooked in the oven either way. So if you're going to cook them in the oven, put them on a baking sheet into the oven at 180 degrees for about 35 minutes. In the air fryer, we're just going to put them into the base thing. I'm not going to do it now because I'm going to leave them to marinate. Put them into the air fryer at air crisp for 15 minutes. And you can see them here. You can see, hold on. Lovely and crispy. Squeeze the lemon juice over top. And you have wonderful chicken wings any day of the week. Beautiful, marinated in that beautiful yogurt.